Everybody, welcome back to this video. I've already made some of this video on the HTML template, but today I'm coming up again with another two good website where you can get free HTML template. You just go to Creative. This is another best way. It's another site where you can get good HTML template, so you can discover more of them by yourself. And another site again, it's another site where you can get more HTML template. If you can go back here, click on this one. This is another one again. You have a mushuptemplate.com. So when I preview this one, you see we have tablet, we have mobile. So yeah, everything has already been made. So guys, if you go back on desktop and then if you click component, you see these are the various components. So they've already arranged everything on use for you, so you don't need to waste your time. So guys, thank you for watching. Love and share this video, and until then, see you. And if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button. Don't worry, I'm going to post all this link down below, so you can go there. You can get the free template and HTML website which has already been designed nicely for you. You just follow everything and you get your site online running and start making some money. Up to then, see you guys.